In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Microsoft account on Windows 11. First, make sure you're on your Windows 11 desktop. We're going to start by opening the Settings app. To do that, move your mouse down to the taskbar and click on the Start button. Then click on the Settings icon. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the Windows key and the letter I together to open Settings instantly. Once Settings is open, look at the menu on the left side of the window and click on the option labeled Accounts. This is where Windows manages everything related to users, sign-in details, and your Microsoft profile. At the top of the Accounts page, you should see a section that mentions your account. If your device is currently using a local account, you'll notice an option that says something like, Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Go ahead and click that. This tells Windows that you want to connect this user profile to a Microsoft account, so you can sync your settings, access Microsoft Store apps, OneDrive, and other services. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Here, type in the email address, phone number, or Skype name that's associated with your Microsoft account, and then click Next. On the next screen, enter your password carefully. If you're in a public place, just be sure no one can see your screen while you type. When you're ready, click Sign In. If you have two-step verification or other security features turned on, you may be asked to approve the sign-in using your authentication method, like a code sent to your email or another device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete that verification. After you've signed in successfully, Windows may ask whether you want to use this Microsoft account everywhere on your device, and if you want to sync things like OneDrive and settings. For most people, choosing to use the account across the device makes things easier because it keeps your files and preferences consistent if you use other Windows devices. You might also be prompted to create a PIN. This is a shorter code you can use to sign in quickly instead of typing your full password every time. It's usually a good idea to set this up, as it makes logging in faster and can be more secure on that specific device. Once you've confirmed everything, Windows will finish linking your Microsoft account. You'll see your Microsoft account name and email appear in the Accounts section, and you're all set.